souls, I am the mother and welcome back to my cozy kitchen. Technically we're not in the kitchen, but we are cooking in this video, so welcome back. If it's your first time coming across my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you're interested in personal development, healthy plant-based eating, or just anything in between, stick around and subscribe because that's what my channel is all about. So in this video we're going to be making a risotto. And guys, firstly, I don't have that risotto rice, so I use your normal white rice. And then secondly, I'm trying to make it plant-based, but I sort of ended up making it a lacto-vegetarian sort of risotto. I used mushrooms, parmesan, and yeah, I think that's the only thing that I used that was, yeah. But yeah, I put lentils in this thing. Guys, perfect. So stay watching and see how I made this risotto. It's actually quite delicious. So stick around. the risotto, guys. I really love this. You guys, hubby loved it. He was like, baby, what you did today was amazing. So he loved it, I loved it, TJ loved it. It was amazing. I really enjoyed it. Hey guys, it was touch and go here and there. I was like, oh, I'm burning it, what's happening? I had never done a risotto before, so, and what's worse, I'm not even using the ingredients that it's supposed to be. Guys, it was a mess, but I loved it. It tasted amazing, tasted great. I would definitely recommend it and do it again. There's nothing really much to say about it. It's as it was, and I used a bit of water towards the end, not stock, because how I was tired. And also there's a point where you keep having to add water or stock and then keep stirring and stirring. I mean, I got tired and I just added all of it, and still turned out well, and it was still nice, and it was still creamy, it was still delicious. So guys, this is nice, but I'm gonna try another risotto with the right rice, maybe the same rice, I don't know. But the point is imunati, so please like it and try it and share it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate it. Love you guys.